Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to view sample data from Intratec products using the Power BI dashboard. Please make sure you have previously set up the file according to the first video. First, click on the three dots in the menu. Next, select View Semantic Model. This will open a new window where you can refresh the data or configure access. To configure access, go to File and then Settings. From there, navigate to Data Source Credentials. For any credential with a warning symbol, click Edit Credentials. Set the authentication method to anonymous, the privacy level to organizational. Check Skip Test Connection, and click Sign In. The parameters configure your access to data. These credentials refer to the courtesy sample account provided by Intratec, while the assessment codes in the Data Requests parameters refer to the free assessments used in this example, including both recent and historical data. After setting up everything, click the semantic model icon in the left column to return to the previous window. Then, click Refresh and choose Refresh Now to update the data in the dashboard. Once the data refresh process finishes, you can refresh the page. If it was successful, you'll see the date and time of the last refresh. To view the data, click the report icon in the left column. Here on the series info pages, you can see the available assessments for each data type included within Industry Economics Worldwide. And if you click on an assessment on the left, you can view its details on the right. The Data and Historical Data pages display the requested free sample data Thanks for your attention. Be sure to check out the next video, where I'll show you how to set up the file with your own credentials and explore the available assessments.